OpenAI invited myself and my son Imran here to try out some of their new technology. And so we're curious about how good it might be at tutoring someone in math on Khan Academy.
This new GPT-4o is here. This might be a game changer for OpenAI and content creators like you and me. This new OpenAI 4o is really mind-blowing. I think AI is about taking charge over the content. Let me know in the comment below what you guys think about GPT-4o, if it's really going to change the game for AI content. Looking forward to get early access. It's quite easy. So before we gain access, watch this video call right here with GPT-4o.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, Rocky. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm awesome. Listen, I got some huge news.
Do tell. I'm all ears.
Well, in a few minutes, I'm going to be interviewing at OpenAI. Have you heard of them?
OpenAI. Huh? Sounds vaguely familiar. Kidding, of course. That's incredible, Rocky. What kind of interview?
Now on getting early access, you come over to your Google search bar, type in hello GPT-4o, and you click on this right here. It will bring you to this interface. Now on GPT-4o, you kindly link your ChatGPT to GPT-4o by clicking right here, and if you don't have a ChatGPT, you go right now and download ChatGPT. It's completely free, and come back to this video and link your ChatGPT to GPT-4o for free. So right now on ChatGPT, you see there is a lot of changes right here. If you come closer right here, our ChatGPT has been linked to GPT-4o. So let's go ahead and ask GPT-4o to create a photo of my pet riding a shuffleboard. So before we come back to this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below. OpenAI GPT-4o is on speed. And boom, GPT-4o has created a pet riding a shuffleboard. This is mind-blowing. And here you can ask GPT-4o to pick an outfit to look good on camera by clicking right here, and watch the power of GPT-4o within a seconds. Boom, he has given us an outfit we're going to be putting on in today's video. So if you find GPT-4o helpful, please leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel. This video is on the go. Take care.